Understanding Fuel Up the Tractor, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into English language learning with fun and engaging videos. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase, fuel up the tractor. Whether you're interested in farming vocabulary or just keen on expanding your English skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started and break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, fuel up the tractor, is made up of three main parts: fuel up, and tractor. Let's look at each part closely. Fuel up. This is a phrasal verb that means to fill a vehicle's tank with fuel. Fuel refers to a substance that is used to produce energy. In most cases, this is gasoline or diesel for vehicles. When we say up in this context, it implies completing the action of filling the tank. This is a definite article used here to specify a particular tractor, one that both the speaker and listener are likely aware of. Tractor. A tractor is a powerful vehicle used mainly in farming to pull equipment for plowing, planting, or harvesting. Understanding when and how to use the phrase, fuel up the tractor, can be very helpful, especially if you're learning about tasks and activities related to farming or if you're in a context where this action is common. In a farming context, this phrase is often used on farms where tractors play a crucial role. If someone says, "It's time to fuel up the tractor," they mean the tractor needs to be filled with fuel to do the day's work. In everyday conversation, you might hear this phrase used metaphorically to imply getting ready or preparing for a task. For example, before we start our road trip, "Let's fuel up the car," applies the same concept to a different vehicle. Let's go through some practice examples to see how fuel up the tractor can be used in sentences. 1. Can you fuel up the tractor while I grab the seeds? This shows the phrase used in a direct, task-oriented way. 2. Every morning before the sun rises, I fuel up the tractor for a day of work in the fields. Here, it's used to describe a routine action. 3. Learning to fuel up the tractor was my first task when I started working on the farm. This example shows the phrase used in a learning context. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, fuel up the tractor, and how it can be used both literally and metaphorically. English is full of interesting phrases that reflect everyday activities and broader life concepts. Remember, learning a language is like fueling up your own educational tractor. It prepares you for the journey ahead. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.